Hi everyone, welcome back to our 5-minute lecture series. Today, I'm going to show you an efficient way to edit Bluebeam columns directly inside Excel. To do this, we'll be using a tool that automatically analyzes and edits XML-based files. As you can see on my screen, we have the Bluebeam interface open. We're going to change the information you see here in the columns, specifically around the bottom right, using Excel. First, we need to export the markups from Bluebeam as a.bax file. Go ahead and export it to any folder of your choice. Next, open the XML table converter application. Click Browse to select the .bax file we just exported, and then click the Start button. The tool will automatically generate an Excel file for editing. Let's open edit.xlsx. Notice how the Bluebeam column data has been perfectly mapped into this spreadsheet. For this demo, let's assign some IDs and input the weight information right here. Once you're done editing, save and close the Excel file. Now, let's open TableXML. Non-XML complex files like Bluebeam documents sometimes require pre-analysis by software to ensure the data maps correctly. To handle this, we will provide the original PDF file as a reference file for the tool to analyze. After selecting your files, simply click the Execute button to finish the process. Let's head back to our PDF in Bluebeam. Before we proceed, make sure to back up your file if it's critical. Now press Ctrl+A and hit Delete to clear all current markups. Next, go to the Markups menu, select Import, choose the output.xml file generated by TableXML, and click Open. This will load the updated markups back into Bluebeam. As you can see, the edits we made in Excel are now fully reflected in the Bluebeam columns. And that's it. If you found this lecture helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.